Okay, we removed the side plastic brackets, the 2 screws. We flipped the panel. It looks pretty good in the panel, pretty clean. Just gonna clean all that up. Like, it's not in really bad shape, the tub. Like, this is not bad. I'm surprised. A little bit of rust there, but we're just gonna do the little test on the lid switch, everything here like that. Open it up, run it, see what it does. The agitate, does the spin. Have a look at the pump, make sure it's not clogged. All right. Oh. I don't hear no lid switch. I don't hear no lid switch. Okay, you know the lid switch is working, but I recommend if it is working on these, come on. I'm not getting a damn good connection. Oh my God, come on. Put a zip tie on the lid switch because eventually they will fail. Let's try and do this one here. Oh, Jesus. Freaking believable. Damn. Oh, Jesus. I just had the damn thing. I'm saying it works. Jesus. Okay, let's try now. Damn. Open it. Why is it still doing it? It's not bypassed, I don't think. Maybe it is. Oh my God, get the hell away, Jesus. I probably busted it now. Yeah, lid switch is bypassed because I opened it up, it's still beeping. So the lid switch failed on this. So, well, that's gone. Okay. Bet you when we take the cabinet off, we'll see it. We'll see it. We'll see it taped up hack job. You know what? I got a few lid switches that can replace this one. Well, that's weird. Doesn't look like it's hacked up. Unless you did a really good job. That is weird. Okay, let's run some tests on this thing. The outside don't look bad, but the inside's dirty as hell. Oh my God. Oh, wires hanging down below. Pop this out. We'll do an agitate test with the dirty hose. Okay, let's start her up. So she's already bypassed. Probably don't need to worry about the lid switch to run it. And we'll get some gas for this today. We're on choke. Get my cord out. Well, she's not bypassed. Alright, let's get some wires. Let's get a piece of wire. I gotta make myself a permanent thing that I can just plug into there. You know, looking for wire all the time, try to get this thing. Like, you know what I mean? Like, make one of these so it just pushes in. Oh, this will push in. Just like something I can just push in without playing around wires all the time. Honestly, I need the wrong. This is the piece I need to push in there. Let's make one. Why not? Lid switch is already gone. And that's it. We made one. We cut it off there, put the wires together, and we just plug it in. A lot easier. It's trying to stick wires in a hole and keep coming out, right? Now he's gonna take it like this and plug her in. It should be good to go. Somewhere like this, upside down. And we got it in. There you go, guys. Yeah, just make yourself one of these. A lot easier than screwing around with wires. Okay, let's start this beast up again. Start the beast up and let's see what happens. spin. Hang on, let's put it on spin. Nothing. Let's try agitate. Alright, I know what's wrong. The coupling is broke. She needs a new coupling. I don't know if I got any left. Definitely the coupling is shot. Transmission looks good, no oil leaks, nice and sealed. But yeah, coupling is shot. We'll take it apart. Oh my God. We'll take her apart. No big deal. Easy fix. If I got one. Got the motor out. Take the coupling out here. You guys can't even see. Examine it for any cracks. I don't know. Seems solid. Take the washer out. Take the rubber out. You guys can't even see. Examine that for splits. Looks okay. Oh, there we go, guys. There we go, guys. I was right. You know, after a while, you guys can see that crack right through the plastic, right there, guys. Cracked, and that's why I wasn't getting the spin. So always gotta replace that, which we can. All right, we'll go look for one to replace her. All right, all done, replaced. Now we'll start it up and check it out. So that's the culprit right there. Crack. I had this blow right down flat on me. Windy. Alright, let's start her up and do our diagnostics. For what? Not working good. We'll also check the plate sliders on it. Make sure it doesn't jump all over the place, because it looks like it is kind of wobbly. Okay, let's do the agitate. Remember I showed you guys, grab the hose right here, blow into it. Now we'll check for water. You guys see water coming out? Both of them? That means the valves are opening up, so the valves work also. All right, shut her up. And that's how you test a washer, guys, with no water. And how you test a pump, if you ask me, take it off, look in it, stick a screwdriver, spin the fan, whatever you call those things there, the black thing, or you can spin it with your fingers. You just spin it, and if it spins all the way, you can see it turning. That means there's nothing clogged in it, so the pump is gonna work. All right, you can check your hoses too, but they're pretty much never clogged up. And that's it, and that's how you guys do it. bitch. Put the pin through the fucking hole. Vent. Fucking hammer. For a second. Come through the hole. In there. Fuck in there. No. Drive the bitch in there. He's in there. He's in there. He's in there. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what to look for. Otherwise, if you don't have those or they're worn out pretty bad, the washing machine will move around like 2 feet from where you have it plugged in. So just tilt this up. You see the plate there? You see the slider? See that plastic piece sitting on the frame? Alright? So, oh, did I just turn it? No, so it sits like that. This whole plate, if I can get underneath it, that plate there sits on the frame, but the plastic slider there keeps it from moving, the whole thing moving around. So it's got sliders, so it's good. It's got all 3 of them. There should be 3 at each post. Or if the plate is spun around by accident, you go move it around, or you put it flat in a car and you travel with it, the plate could spin around and it'll be all off balance. The whole tub would go back and forth.